This video is going to show how to take OPC data and send it to email or text messages using the OPC Data Hub. First, we need to open up the Data Hub property page and click the Email SMS tab. We need to specify our SMTP server, in our case smtp.caro.net. Default port 25, that's what we're going to use. And now I'm going to use my own email address. I'm also going to use my own username and password for this example. We need to make sure Enable Email and SMS Events is checked and click the Configure button. With the Data Hub, you can send plain text messages or HTML messages. We're going to use plain text for this. I'm actually going to send the email to myself, but you can send it to multiple people using a comma-separated list. The subject is just going to be test, and you can use a file for the body by browsing for a file, or you can use the following text. We're going to use test message, and now we're going to browse for our OPC tag to the right. We're going to browse our data sim domain for our ramp tag. Now you can add the name, the value, the time, and the quality of the tag. So we're going to add the name first, highlight name, click insert. We're going to add the value, the time, and the quality. Now we need to tell the Data Hub when we want to send this message. What's it going to actually trigger this to be sent? Go to the Trigger tab. You can trigger upon a point change, a repeat timer based upon seconds, or a time of day. We're going to use when a point changes. We're actually interested in the sign tag. Browse the data sim domain again. Let's click the sign tag. Click the plus symbol. You see the data sim sign gets added here. And you can use a deadband if you want. We're not going to use the deadband in this example. Next we go to the condition tab. We're only interested in when data sim sign is equal to 1. So again, browse the data domain for data sim sign. Use the plus sign to add the tag. And say we only want it equal to 1. Click the checkbox. We're done. Now we need to create our configured action. Once you see it added to this list, you can enable it or disable it. We obviously want ours enabled. We're all set. We can click done here, apply on the Data Hub properties page, and we're all set. It's that easy to send OPC data to email and text messaging using the OPC Data Hub.